Welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, we'll learn how to download and install an SDK. Before that, I will let us learn how to toggle between these guys. So you toggle between them by clicking on project, click, then. So let's leave it like this for now. Okay. What is an SDK? SDK is development kit. Software development kit. Let's say you have your phone now that you're using to watch this video or listen to this audio or whatsoever be it. The software aspect of your phone is what we call the software development kit, and it is important we get one, okay? So that's what we'll be downloading in this aspect. Okay, so you go to tools, you go to SDK manager, and you'll be able to download one. So we download the SDK through the SDK manager. Alternatively, you can come here and you get SDK manager over there. You click on that and you'll be able to get your SDK to you go through or to SDK manager, or you go to the top right corner of your screen and you select SDK manager from there. Okay, so from there you would be able to know Android SDK location. Okay, Android SDK location. So it shows where the SDK will be installed. Now we have different versions of Android. Okay, different versions of Android. When we were going through the process, we came to a point that said SDK missing. From there, we installed one SDK, which is the recent or the latest SDK. It is Android version 12.0, okay, with an API level 31, and you could see from here that it has been installed. Okay, then we have Android 11.0, and the list goes on to Android 2.1. So you scroll it down here, and you could see. So now you have to know that Android 2.1 to I think 4.1 or 4.0.3 is gradually leaving the system. A few people are using it. Okay, so you'll have to download from an API level 18, which is 4.3 Jelly Bean. And if you have enough data and enough space, you download from 4.3 Jelly Bean to 12.0. So 12.0 is already installed, so you download to 11.0. How do you do this download? First of all, you need to check this button. Okay, now let me explain this to you. You are developing an app that will be used by a lot of people. If you choose to develop an app for only Android 12.0 or Android version 12.0, it means that it is only these people that will be able to use the app, and 11 and below wouldn't be able to use the app. Okay, if I develop for these people, that's 4.3, it means Android versions from 12.0 to 4.3 will be able to use my Android app that I'm about developing. Okay, I am about developing. I hope you are getting it. That's really great. So if you download these ones, then it means that you are supporting a whole lot of people, or a whole lot of devices, starting from 4.3 upwards to 12.0. If we download only 12.0, it means we are downloading or our app will be able to run on only Android 12.0. Okay, so you could check a whole lot of case that you want, but we are just downloading one. You download all of them if that's what you want and if there is enough space on your system. Okay, now you could see Android 4.3 Jelly Bean API level 18. I have already installed it, so I wouldn't go through the process again. So I'm here to demonstrate to you how it looks like. So the moment you check the button, you get over here. Click OK. Let me check the full component is installed. So you click on OK and start downloading. That's I would download it again. This lesson has been very educative, informative, and you really enjoyed it. Keep watching, and there is more to come. In our next video, we'll learn how to download and install an emulator, which is, let's say, an Android device, a real Android device on your system. Okay, Thank you. Bye bye.